Hey, happy, beautiful, amazing day. I absolutely love this gift by Jim Carrey. And legitimate question, when is the last time you were this excited? And what if you could be that excited every day and share that excitement with the world? Well, I'll tell you, you have an opportunity to do that. You can partner with people that literally have a treasure map that has led millions of people to fortune and happiness and a better life. A lot of people have heard of the gig economy. And we knew that by 2019, 35% of people, more than one in three, actually were actively seeking and finding a side way to earn money. It was projected to be 43% by 2020. Well, I don't know that they were expecting that the whole world would turn upside down, especially in terms of job security. But this treasure map seems better than ever before. Most people know that there's been a trend for outsourcing. Many jobs are being replaced or outsourced. We even have robots vacuuming our floor. Great documentary called Rise of the Entrepreneur. It interviews many of the world's leading entrepreneurs, trainers, thought leaders, and they talk about the importance of having your own business. Now, Uber is super popular, but they say quite simply, Uber is a job. Airbnb, same thing. It's a job. You have guests in your house, you're cleaning up after them. Whatever your gig is, it's a gig. But a business has tax advantages, partnerships, and leverage, and there is a treasure map to this business. When you start looking at facts about growing wealth, here's an indisputable fact. Your network is your net worth. Look at people that are thriving. They have an epic network. They learn from someone how to grow that, and you can learn it too. So November 11 through 17, there is going to be an opportunity to learn from the very best of the best. Free webinars every single day. So here's your action item. Whoever the me is that referred you to this video, ask them. If it's me, ask me. If it's them, ask them. But find out, make an investment in yourself and your future. No risk, share a little bit of time, learn from geniuses in some way. This is going to make your life